Hello guys, it's Mordecai from Lulu's Mobile Lock and Key. Today we are working on Volvo XC70. This car equipped with slot key, but also with smart key that you can start the engine even if the key is not in the slot. The same module located here under. You need to take the glove outside. But also this car have the smart keyless option, so you need to grab the KVM outside. The KVM is located here behind off all this cover. What you need to do, you need to start with take this screw outside, this screw outside. You have one here and one here, and for example, to see that when it's complete, you take this cover outside, you have a screw behind it, this screw, and this screw. After you took all the screws outside, you pry this one outside. And after you pry, I showed it from the side. After you pry this guy outside, you're gonna have to take this one away. This is how it looks from the back. So when you try to take it, you need to push it kind of down, grab this one out and put it back. And then when you take this one, kind of like shimmy it above the seat belt and it's down. And then you come here, you open this one a little bit. This one was like that before. You open this one a little bit, you grab this guy outside, and then you'll be able to see the KVM.